What is up, folks? So today's video, I ordered some parts for the truck, the crew cab. Basically, if you see they're kind of dirty. We went on the dirt road yesterday. These are brand new, but the problem is I didn't have mounts for the lens on these. They're all broke off. So I hopped on Amazon and I ordered myself some more. So you want to watch me replace them? Because I'm going to replace them. But I just want you to kind of get a feel, do a little walk around, see how they look before, and then I'll show you an after, and then I'll wait until tonight and we'll get a view of it in the dark. We'll kick them on, we'll turn all the lights on, see how they look. So anyways, yeah, here we go. Ugh. Grr. I swear, it's always something trying to film, huh? Alright, folks, we got one on. Lights work, pretty sure. Had to take it off once because, you know, well, the lights weren't working, and I just had to tweak the bulb just a little bit. But we're gonna put the other one on, so yeah, I guess we'll film that one as well. It's kind of hard filming because I don't have a tripod. Well, yeah, I don't have a tripod because I lost my other GoPro and it had the tripod mount on it. And honestly, I haven't been filming enough to worry about getting another one. So I think is what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna take these off. I'm gonna swap bulbs. I'm just gonna put it on and I'm gonna show you. And I'm going to show you what it looks like with them on, with the tailgate closed. Sound good? Okay, good. Oh, how do I look? Okay, folks, check it out. So we've got some problems, obviously, with this bed. You know, it's been dented, so somebody, you know, they kind of screwed it up. But this part right here is like, I don't know. I was able to get it to work, but obviously that stuff properly should be fitting down here. So this whole assembly inside kind of sits all funky, but I ain't worried about that. This ain't gonna be a show truck. This is gonna be a nice off-road rig. So we're gonna paint it like the Blazer. We're not gonna do too much body work on it because it's not horrible, but we're gonna paint it, so don't worry about it. But we got these on. I'll link up where I got them off of Amazon. The only other thing is the mounts were a little different for the light bulbs, because I think obviously the light bulb kit is a 74 and this is a newer bed, and I think they may have changed the insides just a little bit, so the turn signals or the little marker, side marker lights, kind of was interesting to set up and get in there. They might rattle loose, I don't know. But I got them, so that's all that matters. I don't have my key to show you the brake lights, but stay tuned, because I'm gonna come back out here in the nighttime and show you what it looks like at night. But I've got them on, so we got my side marker light, the tail light bulb, and the side marker light. So those are kind of sitting in there funny, but oh well. I wish the other one was sitting across like this, but you know, you can't be picky. You just can't be picky. I'm not gonna tear into it, because at night you're not gonna know a difference. But I guess we'll tell. We'll turn it on at night and see if you can see. So stay tuned, because we still got just a little bit. So I'll be back. Folks, check it out. There's the new tail lights. Oh, and she just died. Anyway, so we got these new tail lights. They work. Here, let me go hit the blinker real quick. We'll turn the blinker on so you can see them. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Anyways, I bought these off of Amazon. I'll put the link below. They got a few different options, but like I said, this is all dented in, so it didn't fit too good, but we made it work. It still worked. I had to hit this up just a little bit, but anyways, it still works. So here we are driving it on dirt roads for now, because I haven't heard back from my insurance company. Come on, we need to drive this thing. Anyways, that's it. That's all for today's video. We still need to get this thing carb figured out, because she's not running right. I think it might be the distributor. I think it's just set a little too low on idle, and I don't know. I know it's got a cam in it, so I don't know how you adjust. I don't know. I'm gonna do some research, but I'm gonna call my mechanic back and let him know that, hey, we need a little bit more tuning on this thing, because anyways, peace out, have a good day, smile, enjoy life.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Wait